Hello teachers! So, I know na malapit na yung inset and I think this topic is a good topic that you can suggest or use as a topic to be discussed during your in-service training. So, this topic is all about yung format ng innovation. When you make an innovation, a project proposal, it should be DepEd-based format. So, ito pong mga ipapakita ko sa inyong slide ay all about what are the different parts of the innovation project proposal which is DepEd based. So ito po yung dapat natin gamitin na compared sa mga dati nating ginagamit before. So I am going to show you the different slides and of course these slides ay pwede nyo pong gamitin during your presentation. Okay? So yan, project proposal for an innovation in the school. So of course, in implementing this, there is a basis. So that is based from RA 9155, which includes this. So ayan po nakalagay naman. You can read it na lang po. Ayan. So yun. So of course, we all know what is an innovation means. So andyan po nakalagay. Innovation means new ideas, practices, which are useful. Okay. So, what is the purpose of innovation? So, nakalagay po dyan, 1 to 7. Okay. So, of course, who will innovate? Everybody can innovate. Everybody can make an innovative proposal. Okay, so yan po. So, innovations can be for, ayan, gulayan sa paaralan, and so on. Okay. So, these are the guidelines. You can just read this na lang po. Anyway, I will be giving a soft copy for this. So, if you finish watching this video, ipa-flash ko po sa screen kung ano yung password ng soft copy. So, I'm going to paste the link of the soft copy sa description nitong video. When I say description, makikita nyo po yan. Once click nyo yung video na to, yung title, makikita nyo po yung description. Then, nandun nakalagay yung link ng soft copy. But then, of course, bago nyo ma-open yun, kailangan nyo ang password. So, ang password po, ipa-flash ko na lang po sa screen dito sa video na ito. So, makinig po and then hanapin po sa video na to. Then, that's it. Pag nakuha nyo pong password, pwede nyo na pong ma-open ito and then gamitin for your discussion. Maganda po itong topic. Napaka napapanahon. Okay, so ito po yung mga technicalities. Ayan. Alright. Okay, so here are the format. So we have here 9 parts. First is the project contacts, project summary, and so on. So, of course, in the project contact, makikita nyo po dyan, mamaya, yung mga parts, yung mga sample. Ito po yung sample natin ng project, yung pinakauna natin. Of course, yung name of organizer, project title, project time frame. Then here we have the project contact. So, ito po yung sample natin dyan. We have to list here the persons who are involved. So, ito po yung sample natin. Ayan. So, you can just say it po. Nakikita nyo naman dyan. Then, we have also here the project summary. So, here in the project summary, is discuss nyo po dito yung answer sa mga questions na to. Why are you doing this project? How much will it cost? And so on. So, here, I have here an example also. Again, ito po yung mapakita natin. So, if you're going to use this teacher's na video na to, or if you want to download the soft copy, makikita nyo din po itong sample. So, this PowerPoint has already an example. Pwede nyo pong i-edit or pwede nyo naman pong gamitin during your discussion or presentation sa inyong inset or LAC. So, yan po. Next, Roman number 3, project background. Here is the example po. Then, project objectives. So, what are the objectives? Ayan din po ang sample. Project methodology. So, of course, how will you conduct the project, the activity? How will you achieve it? Then, next, ito yung mga parts niya, work breakdown and task time estimates. Ito po. So, kung makikita niyo po dito, I have here 2 samples. 2 samples po yan. Ito na isa, sample A. Ito naman po, sample B. Okay? So, ito yung sample A natin. Sample A, ito sample B. So, para at least may dalawa kayong pwedeng tingnan as a sample. Next, letter B, project deliverables. So, yan. Ito naman po yung sample natin. Then, project risk management. Ayan po yung sample. Then, project cost. Yan po yung sample natin. Okay. Then, ito po, sample. Then, monitoring and evaluation. So, andyan po naman, actually, bawat parts po, teachers, meron naman siyang discussion on what are you going to put, what will be the content of each part. And of course, for you to easily get it, since nakagawa na po ako nito, nagbibigay po ako ng mga sample. So, ito po, nandito po sa screen, yung mga sample yan. Yung may mga check natin, nilagay ko ng check. Yan po yung mga sample. Okay? Then, Roman number 8, next steps. So, yan naman nakalagay kung anong gagawin nyo naman after conducting this activity or proposal. Okay po? Then, of course, you have Roman number 9, appendices. Itong appendices, ito naman teachers yung mga attachments. So, nakalagay naman dyan sunod, pictures, letter, if ever, if meron kayo, bill of materials, receipts, letter of acceptance, and so on. So, yun ang mga parts. Ito naman po teachers, halimbawa, tapos yun na yung project proposal. Ito na ngayon yung parts naman ng completed project for innovation in a school using DepEd format. So, here, teachers, almost the same lang naman yung parts kung makikita nyo. Yan, 9 ulit. But then dito, ang ilalagay nyo dito, since ito ay completed na, kung ano yung halos content nyo sa proposal, yun din ang ilalagay nyo dito. Somehow, yung magiging iba lang is yung mga words nyo. Of course, yung mga gagamitin nyo dapat dito ay nasa past tense na or past form. Kasi since tapos na nga yung project, yun lang naman yung magkakaiba ng content dito. Yan, ipakita ko pa din sa inyo. Kasi kung makikita nyo, same lang naman yan ng parts kung ano yung nasa project proposal. Ang pinagkaiba lang dito sa terminal report, again, completed and ang discussion nyo po dito is assuming na tapos na yung project. Okay, so yan. Yun. Alright? So, of course, to end the discussion, the topic, of course, let us always think of this from Theodore Levitt. Creativity is thinking up new things. Innovation is doing new things. So, that's all. So, if you are going to use this, of course, teachers, this is always free. So, just download po the soft copy sa link ng ating description. But again, get the password na pinakita ko kanina sa video. So, good luck po and I know you can do it. I know you can do it also. God bless po. Bye-bye.